Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I finally found this round metal basket at Dollar Tree and knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I also had this pendant light sitting in my stash since July. I picked it up on a trip to Goodwill, thinking I could do something cool with it. I took the shade off of the light and placed the end in the center of the basket. I took a Sharpie marker and traced around the bulb end, and then cut the wires out so I could attach the light part to the basket. I inserted the end into the hole I had cut to make sure it was going to fit. I then took the basket outside and spray painted it black. Now, what am I going to do with this ugly white cord? I hate this cord. I decided to wrap the cord with twine. I added a dab of glue to the plug end of the cord and began wrapping the twine around the cord. While wrapping the cord, I would place dabs of glue ever so often, and I also made sure the twine was tight around the cord. I have to admit, this took longer than I was expecting, and because of my carpal tunnel, I couldn't feel my fingers the next day and had to wear my brace for a couple of days afterwards. When I reached the other end, I placed a dab of glue and continued wrapping. I didn't want the white to show on this end, so I continued with the twine until I got to the end where the bulb screws in. I then placed the cord and the bulb end into the basket. I arranged the wire from the basket around the lip of the bulb attachment and then screwed the cap back on to hold everything in place. And then attached the light bulb. Now that it was finished, I think I'm going to paint all the white you see here so it doesn't stick out so much. I wrapped the clear part of the bulb and the top section of the twine before spray painting it black. This is what the light looked like before I spray painted it. It's cute, but I just really do not like the white. And just look at how stinking cute this turned out. I am so glad I went ahead and spray painted it black. I just love it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!